Everybody, Jay Rogers here with Rogers Motor Cars. We've got another cool one here lined up for you today. This is a 2023 BMW M4 competition. It's a convertible, obviously, black top. I'll have some pictures in the photo gallery of the top up. Very nice conditions, like new showroom condition here. No scuffed wheels or anything like that. This car has 10,700 miles. Does have a clean Carfax. The color is Toronto Red Metallic. Black interior. It's got those 19-inch and 20-inch competition wheels. They look great. Very well optioned. This car had a 96,200 MSRP. It is an X-Drive as well. All-wheel drive. It's got executive package, carbon trim inside. All the goodies. We even have the screen here, tire inflators in the back. It's a non-smoker, very pretty. Seats are in excellent condition with only 10,700 miles. This car is still in factory warranty as well. Really fun to drive. Sounds great. These cars are really quick. I mean, really quick. Got the Icon LED headlights, which is an option. CarPlay, Android Auto. It's got the driving assistance package, heads-up display. Very well optioned. The M Shadow Line package. I'll put a picture of the window sticker in the gallery as well. You can also get it through the free Carfax on the website. You can see everything listed out there. But just a really nice car. We do have 2 keys for this one. All the books, the glove box. Get a close look at those wheels, show you there's no scruffs. Hit M2 on this car on the steering wheel and the exhaust opens up. Sounds really good. Front end is in great shape. You can see any rock chips or anything. No bug damage. It's a beautiful car, so give us a call, text, email. We will get back to you as soon as we can. Usually pretty quick to respond if you miss me on the phone or something, but we can ship this to you anywhere in the country in an enclosed trailer. If you've got financing, that's not a problem. If you have your own bank, if you need financing, we do have some options as well. So yeah, just a great car here. Hope to hear from somebody soon on this one. We just got it locally from a client who we've done lots of car business with. He takes care of his cars, so hope to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe please, that helps us, and you can follow us on Rogers_Motorcars on Instagram, Rogers_Motorcars, and we have a Facebook page as well, Rogers Motorcars. So thanks for watching. Talk to you later.